First go to the file and choose open. Select this image, press open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the white menu card like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection to separate layer. Now take the rectangle tool, select the shape option. Now create a shape like this. Right click on the shape layer and choose convert to smart object. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Now adjust the layer in this manner. Press enter. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Open blend modes and choose linear burn. Double click on this layer's thumbnail. Go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this template image. Hit place. Press enter. Change the background color. Go to the file and choose save. Then open the main window. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust this underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.